Blake Lively celebrates total victory after $400 million Justin Baldoni lawsuit partially dismissed, but the battle is far from over. Blake Lively is celebrating what she called a total victory in her ongoing legal battle with actor and producer Justin Baldoni, but legal experts and court documents reveal that the fight is far from over. The Gossip Girl star publicly expressed her excitement after a Los Angeles judge dismissed significant portions of Baldoni's $400 million defamation lawsuit, which was filed following sexual harassment claims Lively made against him. Yet, while headlines initially suggested that Lively had achieved a sweeping win, the reality is far more nuanced. According to a detailed report by the Daily Mail, the court's decision did not result in the dismissal of the lawsuit in its entirety. Instead, the judge ruled that only certain defamation-related claims were dismissed, while Baldoni's legal team has been granted the right to file an amended complaint on several key counts. The amended lawsuit is expected to include new evidence and more specific allegations, ensuring that this highly publicized legal battle continues. This new development comes shortly after Lively used her platform to frame the ruling as a broader victory for women in the entertainment industry. In a widely shared post, the actress described the judge's decision as a win for women and a validation of her claims. The message quickly went viral, drawing both praise and criticism online. However, Justin Baldoni swiftly countered Lively's narrative, rejecting the idea that her celebration represented the full legal truth. In a public statement, his attorney Bryan Freedman challenged Lively's version of events and warned that significant aspects of the lawsuit remain active. Ms. Lively and her team's predictable declaration of victory is false, Freedman stated. Let us be clear about the latest ruling. While the court dismissed the defamation-related claims, the court has invited us to amend 4 out of the 7 claims against Ms. Lively, which will showcase additional evidence and refined allegations. Freedman emphasized that the legal fight is ongoing and that his client remains determined to pursue accountability. For those unfamiliar with the origins of this explosive case, tensions first emerged during the production of It Ends With Us, an eagerly anticipated film adaptation of Colleen Hoover's best-selling novel. Lively, who stars in and co-produces the film, accused Baldoni, her fellow producer and co-star, of sexually harassing her on set. In response to Lively's allegations, Baldoni filed a staggering $400 million defamation suit against Lively and her husband, actor Ryan Reynolds, alleging that the accusations were false and had caused devastating harm to his personal and professional reputation. Baldoni, best known for his role as Rafael Solano in Jane the Virgin and for his production work on Orange is the New Black, claimed that Lively's accusations resulted in him being blacklisted in Hollywood and damaged long-standing professional relationships. While Lively's legal team argued that her statements were protected by free speech and aimed at exposing alleged misconduct, Baldoni's lawsuit contends that she knowingly spread false and malicious claims. The initial dismissal of the defamation elements does represent a meaningful legal step for Lively. However, the fact that the judge explicitly granted permission for Baldoni's legal team to amend and refile several of their claims complicates the narrative of a clear-cut victory. Legal experts have noted that amending a complaint often results in stronger and more focused arguments. If Baldoni's team succeeds in presenting new evidence or reframing their case effectively, the lawsuit could still pose serious legal and reputational challenges for Lively. For her part, Lively continues to portray confidence. Sources close to the actress say she views the court's decision as a vindication of her choice to speak out and an affirmation of her commitment to supporting other women in the industry. However, Baldoni's team has shown no signs of backing down. Freedman's statement underscores their resolve to pursue the case vigorously in the next round of legal proceedings. We look forward to presenting these claims and ensuring that Mr. Baldoni's voice is heard, Freedman added. As the legal drama continues to unfold, the case serves as a powerful illustration of how high-stakes legal battles can play out in the court of public opinion, as well as in the courtroom. It also highlights the complex dynamics surrounding celebrity, gender, and power in Hollywood. With the court granting leave to amend the complaint, the next phase of this bitter legal war is only just beginning. Observers and fans alike will be watching closely as both sides prepare for what promises to be another contentious chapter in one of the most talked-about celebrity legal battles of the year.